In question 27 we're given a parallelogram and we're given certain facts about the parallelogram, such as the point N is in the ratio of 3 to 2 on SQ. We're told that P to Q is A and P to S is B, and the direction is actually very important to how you write the vector. In part A it says write down, in terms of A and B, the expression for SQ. So the arrow tells us the direction, so we want to go from S to Q. Now clearly, in order to go from S to Q we have to go against B, so that's minus B, and then in the direction of A, plus A. So you tend to always write these vectors in alphabetical order in that sense. So it's minus B plus A, which you would just write as A minus B. In part B it asks us to express NR, so essentially NR is going from N to R, asks us to express that in terms of A and B. Now, in order to go from N to R in terms of the vectors, we need to go from N to Q and then Q to R. So that's the first thing that we'll write down over here. So N to R equals N to Q plus Q to R. Now the first bit that we'll do is the easy bit. Q to R, in terms of a vector, since this is a parallelogram, is exactly the same as P to S. They're parallel, so that bit will just be, this bit here will just be B. So that now leaves NQ. Now in order to go from N to Q, we're told that this is in the ratio of 3 to 2. So whatever that length SQ is, NQ, because that part is 2, NQ will be 2/5 of it. And it's 2/5 because if the ratio is 3 to 2, there's 5 parts altogether. That means this bit will be 2 lots of those 5 parts. It will be 2 over 5 of SQ. So that means, if we just write that down there, that so this bit NQ will be equal to 2 over 5 of SQ. Now SQ we actually worked out in the previous question, as we can see here, A minus B. So what that means is that, so that equals 2 over 5 of A minus, oh sorry, it's a minus, isn't it? A minus B. We have to remember there's the B that we need to add on, this B here that we need to add on here. So let's just put that in now just so that we don't forget it, plus B. So that's going to then give us, if we multiply that out, 2 over 5A minus 2 over 5B plus the B at the end. So when we simplify that, we're going to end up with, so the 2 over 5A will remain on its own, so 2 over 5A plus, so we've got minus 2 over 5B plus B, so that will give us 3 over 5B. Let's make that clear, so it's 3 over 5B.